showing pending. So now I'm going to showing the one by one option. The first one is inline. I am going to explaining display colon inline. So what is the use of this inline, sir? If any block level tag is available and those tags, if you want to change into inline format, this attribute useful for us. Originally the tag is block level tag, but I want to display like as the inline process, inline nature. So that conversion process we can use this option. So display colon inline. So changing block level tags or block level elements into inline elements. Any block level tag, headings, paragraphs, whatever it may be. Recently we used order list, unordered list, field sets. All block level tags we can change into this inline nature. So see the example for that one. H1. So couple of H1s I am going to taking here. Total 3 H1s. Okay, last one we can change to H2. Any tag we can change it. For that awareness, 2 H1s and 1 H2. Run this program. All 3 headings are displaying in the separate lines like this. Now I want to get all these 3 headings in the same line side by side. Same line side by side, adjacent side. Then apply this one. Style, display, inline. Write the same thing for all tags. How many tags you want to display? That number of tags, all in the sense. 2 tags I want to display the side by side. So we'll get these 2 like this. And the third tag also I want to get the same side by side, sir. You can just implement like this. So 3 headings and moreover 3 block level tags displaying side by side. First time we are doing this. Now without this option, if you try, it doesn't comes. I want to use alignments or something, sir. If you use anything, it doesn't work. These type of some special properties are required. Next one, opposite direction I am showing here. Display equals to block. So what is this one, sir? Changing the block level, inline elements into block level. Opposite direction. We have so many inline elements. Formatting tags are inline elements only. Anchor tag inline, image is also inline. Next label, span, these are also inline tags only. And these inline tags I want to get into block level nature, sir, and line by line. Basically every inline tag displaying the side by side. We can check it once. I'm using some label tag here. Label, some username, label close. Next one. Again one more label, some password and label close. 2 labels are available. So basically both labels are displaying side by side like this. Okay, I'll use the small line break operation. So these are the 2 labels. But I want to get these labels in fresh lines or separate lines, sir. Convert this one into style display. How many tags you want to display the side by side? For that number of times you have to repeat this property. Only one tag using no. All tags we have to apply. And you will get the labels like this. So that side to this side to that way. Means vice versa operations. Block to into block. Anything is possible by using these CSS attributes. Next, third one, inline block. The combination feature, sir. Display equals to inline block. It's a combination feature. And I need block level nature plus I need inline nature also. Both possible as sir. Because this option is providing that one. Yes, sir. Inline plus block both combined it is going to apply. So what is the need to implement the both features? So what is the need to implement the both features, sir? A small situation I am going to explaining here. So I am taking some anchor tag here, href, some menus we are, navigation bar menus we are designing. So first menu heading home, href, second one some services, and third one some courses. Next fourth one batches, new batches. Next to fifth one contact us. The total 5 menus I designed here. Maybe 5 hyperlinks, sir. If you display all these hyperlinks side by side, it looks like as a menu bar. And most of our websites we are seeing the menu bars. It comes this one. It is general look of the anchor tags. But these general looks, suppose if you go for any of the website, exactly I am not designing, sir. Appropriately I am going to designing. The menu bar is there, na? This is the menu bar. Like that in every website we have this type of menu bars nowadays. So these type of menu bar appropriately I am designing. Why not exactly, sir? And then that much of knowledge I don't have. That's why I'm not designing. So appropriately I'm designing that one. And that's why options also I'm taking the similar. All courses, so services, so new batches, so something available. So similar to those I'm going to take here. Home, services, courses, batches and contact us. Almost same type of options I designed here. But now these menus we want to change like this. Or you can go for Amazon, sir. There also we have the same hyperlinks. Okay, the menu bar. This is total menu bar. Hyperlinks all these are. But looking differently, sir. CSS effect. Makeup effect. First, initially all these are the inline. If I convert this one block level, what happens? All comes line after line, right? But we need side by side, line by line. Side by side only required. So I'm going to applying the one by one setting with explanations. But here I'm not implementing. Reasons are, we need 3-4 settings approximately for designing of that menu bar type of operations. 3-4 settings required. But 3-4 settings we can type easily. But 5 anchor tags available. Of 4 settings, 5 anchor tags required. First anchor tag 5 settings, 4 settings. Second anchor tag 4 CSS settings. Third anchor tag. But instead of writing 4, what is the shortcut? Style tag. Which CSS we have to use? Huh? here I can define the 4 styles what I required. I want to apply some 4 settings there, and 4 settings required on every hyperlink. So normally if you design directly with anchor tags, getting some long process. So shortcut, internal CSS. In internal CSS, which type of implementation required? Idea, class, tag, class, sure. No, not ID, class, tag, differences. Huh? Anchor tag, 5 anchor tags I want to play. Tag selector. Sure. But first class selector you said. But 2 minutes of if I waited ID selector. Well, next answer. If I got properly answer, I'll continue that explanation. Otherwise, example completed, I'll move to the next example. Simple thing. And you are careless my reaction anamata. 2 times, 3 times I asked a question. Proper response required kada. So last time I'm asking, which CSS implementation required to simplify the code? Class. 2 minutes back you said tag selector. First you said class. I repeated the question. Tag said. Again repeated the question. Class. Next time repeated. Only tag. Stability no. Fix on one answer. Class. Why class? Any reason? Common tag also we have na. Oh no, all instances we need same settings together. I have 5 anchor tags there, but 5 anchor tags I want to apply same settings and different settings. Same settings together. But tag not suitable. Suitable kada. But changing why answer? You said tag only. I know that one. వీళ్ళేమి ఇచ్చారు చూద్దాం. క్లాసు ట్యాగు రిపీట్ క్వశ్చను ట్యాగు ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాగు. I'm going to using tag selector, sir. So if you want to know the reason, replay my yesterday's explanations. Simple. We already discussed it yesterday. Class selectors. Replay that one, you will get the answer. Yesterday, neatly, slowly, I showed the one by one. Only today, this. The much of concentration anamata. Correct ga? So display, block. Now all 5 anchor tags there comes one after one like this. When you write the display inline, all are comes the side by side. My requirement is I need side by side plus I need block level nature. I need side by side plus I need block level nature. So why we need the block level nature, sir? If you want to understand it, first I am changing the colors of anchor tag. By default blue underline something is coming. That I am going to changing now. Uh, my all anchor tags should be displayed with background color. Sorry. All anchor tags should be displayed with background color blue. So blue I'm going to taking, and foreground color white I'm going to taking. Base all anchor tags initial colors. Next, bottom underline available, sir. I don't want to that underline. So first time I'm using this one, text decoration colon none. What is this text decoration, sir? Previously, what are the underlines we got it? That underlines a deactivation attribute, this one. If I want to get back underline again, sir, that is future. Decoration equals to none, decoration equals to underline. So when you write the decoration equals to underline, your data comes with underline. When you write the decoration equals to none, data comes without underline. See once. So this is option. All anchor tags come side by side. Okay, hand symbol is there. Colors changed, but still hand symbol is continuous. Like that. So underline gonna see that. If I want to get back underline, sir, sorry. No underline is complex. When you are designing these type of menu cases, 100% try to deactivate the underline. It's not looking good. So you base initial settings. But now I want to create every hyperlink with some fixed size, sir. But now anchor tags are comes as per the data length. Lengthy data available, box size big, small data available, box size small. See that home and contact us. Home small box, contact us big box is available. So without that one, all 5 links I want to display with the fixed measurement. Fixed measurement. Such. Width I am going to apply here. So width equals to some 120 pixels. What happens, sir? It doesn't apply. Same output is here. No changes in the sizes. Box size. Next to width equals to some 200 pixels, sir. Nothing special. So I'm applying width, but it's not accepting. It's setting to their content only. Really, it's a content, sir. A clear appearance available, sir. Still, if you are not identified that one, see this one. I don't need any content-based boxes. Content small available, big available. Box size should be remains the same. For that, I try to apply the width and also height. If you are interested, height also you can apply. But system not accepting. Reasons are basically inline tags except the images. Image means graphical content. So non-graphical content to inline tags, height, width never accepting. No use. If you apply also no use. Reasons are as per your previous knowledge, inline tags auto content together. When you applying the background colors also long back, block level tags full line color applying. Remember? If you take the H1, H2, full line color change. But inline colors, how inline tags, how much content available, that much of only. And the inline's nature basically. I want to get some lengthy color box, sir. This inline should be converted into block level. But now boxes are going to apply. Really, sir, see that one. Apply the block here. Boxes wise it comes. Got it? Boxes. 200 pixels box. 200 no sir, 150 pixels. A box size reducer, see that one. But problem what? I got box, but I missed the side by side alignment. I got now box. Every tag is displaying with the fixed box size. but I'm missing here side by side. Okay, I want to get side by side, sir. Write this one as a inline. But what happens, sir? Box gone. So that you want to go on, you should lose this one. This you want to get, that you should lose. I need both, sir. That is inline block. Now take the inline hyphen block. Your box available plus side by side it will come. See that one. 150 pixels fixed size for every component inside the data available. And I want to get all these things into center element, sir. Take the text hyphen align center. This is our menu bar. But a block where it is helping, inline block where it is helping here. We applied the inline block combination property. In this designing, block where it is helpful. Which part it is helping for here? Displaying as a fixed sizes boxes. Inline where it is helping, sir? Displaying those boxes side by side. Inline helping displaying the boxes side by side. Box how we got it, sir, by using the block nature. So only block and the box comes. Only inline side by side comes. I need side by side with the fixed measurement. Then I apply the inline hyphen block. And this is. But gaps available, sir. If you remove the gaps, sir, middle of the gaps, then it becomes as a menu bar. A gaps, if you remove it, like as your websites, it is also becomes as menu bar. See that? We can click here, but we have not mapped any address. Addresses I'm not given here. Empty. So link is working, no problem. A gaps also how to remove it, sir. A separate CSS properties are available, sir. Margin properties then. Margins. Margin means gap between the one component to another component. A margin by default 1 pixel, 2 pixel available. So that gap is that one. If you remove the margin 0, sir, automatically all comes the side by side only. And without gap. It's just a situation demanding I'm using, but I'm not explained anything margin. Margin we have to discuss so much of information. But situational wise I'm applying, that's all, we'll see. Your next topic, sir, division tag. After this program, I'm starting that one only. Now full clearly it comes. A menu bar, a bar feeling is comes together. In that menu bar, menus are available. Maybe hyperlinks, sir. Programmatically hyperlinks, sir, but generally we called as it's a navigation bar or menu bar. And these options are called as the menu items. Next, one more also I'm going to implementing, sir. In our general websites, whenever the mouse pointer comes onto this menus, some different color they are going to display. On our Naresh IT, light to dark color shade changing. Amazon, we got some box. You just observed also 10 minutes back I opened. Like that, I want to change something, sir. Not like that, I want to go for my own. So how we can change? For that, we have the special CSS property. For that, we have the special CSS property. So what is that one, sir? H over. It's one of the CSS selector. Yesterday we used class selector, ID selector like that. It is also one of the selector. Selector name is H over selector. What is H over, sir? What is this? Hand symbol. When we are getting this hand, hyperlinks only gada. So whenever your hand comes over the hyperlink, then this selector is applied. Whenever your mouse pointer hand symbol comes over the hyperlink, over that menus, this selector is going to highlighting. In this selector, what are the settings you apply? That all results is displaying there. So anchor tag H over. Anchor tag H over. What are the settings, sir? I want to change the background color, sir. Already blue is there. So red down. Next to foreground color, yellow. If mouse pointer comes over the hyperlink, already blue and white color is there. That one changing it to yellow and red color. So take the mouse pointer, place any of that hyperlink. Again, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So this is process. The H over. Somebody colors change, somebody boxes display, somebody underlines display. Every developer, they have their own ideology. That's all. So I changed the background color and foreground color of my hyperlinks. So this is my own menu bar designed with fixed sizes. H4 is one of the predefined selector of this CSS, not my personal. It's a predefined or implicit. Tags attributes all predefined together. Like that, this selector is also predefined of CSS. So what I am doing, sir, that one we are applying for our anchor tag. If H over means your mouse pointer comes onto the anchor tag, change their existing colors to this one. Next, flex grid, the next session we'll discuss that one, sir. Now I'm going to writing the none now. Display none. So what is this display none, sir? Hiding of the component or disabling the component. We are creating the tag. But when you apply the display none, sir, it's available in program but not displaying on the web page. Hiding, that is called as the hiding. So suppose H1, some welcome and H1 close. This is welcome, initially displaying normally. But this I don't want to display on the screen, sir. So style, display none. Now that H1 doesn't appear on the web page, but is available in page. It's available in page but not displaying or not appeared on the page. Programmatically it is available, sir. User point of view not available. Programmatically in source code it is available. But when it will come, sir, generally it doesn't comes. Once if you hiding, that is not comes to. Again that display hide, if you remove it, then only it will comes. If you remove this none, sir, then the component is displaying. Normally displaying. Display block, we'll get that. And display none, don't show the component. The process. So how this one we can get it to display, sir? We are changing the source code, but original websites the source code directly changing not possible, sir. For that we have to write some JavaScripting. And the user, they should perform some operation. User should do something on the web page. What are the activities user performing? Based on that activities, these components are going to display. Initially all the components are hiding. Which option you selected here, option related component is displaying here. It purely depends upon the user selections or user working with this one. And if I want to control all those things, JavaScript is compulsory required. HTML hiding only. Once if you hide the component, again you want to get into the appearance, compulsory a small coding part required. So display none, changing or disappearing the components. Any of the HTML tag you want to disappears, then go for this one. Again, I want to get to appearance, change the none into any of the other options, either block or inline. These two will discuss on the next session, sir. Today it's not possible these, because before going to these two discussions, some other tags knowledge also required. After finishing of those tags, I will explain these. Balance 4 I think we completed already. Next I am going to starting the division tag. So division tag is one of the special tag of the HTML and mostly used tag. How much mostly, sir? 100%. 100% we are using. When you are designing a web page, sir, division tag generally we are required. Required compulsory. That is the purpose of the tag. Yesterday I already said display attribute compulsory. Attributes display compulsory, tags division tag compulsory. These two 100% of our web page designings we are going to using. So what is the purpose of this division tag? How it is going to helping for us, sir? First of all, what is general meaning of division? Tag name div, sir, but full form division. Name of the tag div, but the full form is division. What is general meaning of division? Division, divide, division, divide. Last three letters change it. Division tag used for division. Division tag used for dividing. And division tag used for sorry. Division tag meanings we are discussing. A word meaning. Andhra divided from Telangana. Common kadadi. So division tag it's a separation, or it's also we can say as a to prepare the blocks, or we can also say as a partitioning. That is the division tag only. So as per our previous all examples, a web page is a single block. A total web page is a single block. So a white color is there, that is your web page. This total web page we are treating as a one block. In that one block, directly content we are going to design. Generally we are doing in the last 20 plus examples. But in the coming example, this web page I want to cut into number of pieces, sir. I want to cut into number of pieces. And in every piece, I want to display some special content. Possible to cut the paper, sir. Scissor. Tomorrow get the scissor, will cut it. Scissor. Scissor available, we can cut any number of pieces. Kada? Generally possible. So a scissor your division tag. The scissor is called as your division tag. So how many parts you want to cut this page, sir? Or write that number of division tags. Simply. Why we have to cut it, sir? One floor kada, this one, third floor. Why we have to cut it this one? Is it division kada? Is it division or not? It's wall. Offline students visible, online students not visible kada. Shit. In our house, 2 BHK or 3 BHK available kada, sir, or single BHK. So that is one floor actually. But the floor we are dividing into number of rooms kada, by using the wall. That wall is called as the partitioning. right? A partitioning your division tag. So why we need this type of partitioning, sir?